And Miss Olga,
Yes.
I was watching that video you sent me. So like you know how she transferred so she eliminated the Miles and then she transferred man, what the hell was she saying?
Hey, you need to watch your language because I'm going to boot you off of here if you're going to keep swearing.
Okay.
We had this problem yesterday.
So like she was transferring I think an hour from into seconds or something. So
Okay.
I was wondering how I would change that.
How you change what? Say it again. You cut out.
Okay, so I have for the delta math, I have 4 kilograms by 1 cubic feet. So then I got rid of the kilograms and I have the 7.481 cubic feet per 1 kilogram. And then I eliminated the kilograms and I don't know really what to do from there with the cubic feet.
Here, hold on. Can you share your screen?
I have no idea how to do that.
Down at the bottom of your window, if you float your mouse over it.
Oh, share?
Yep.
Oh, I haven't. I'm writing it on paper.
But is it a Delta Math problem?
Yeah.
So just pull up your Delta Math screen for me.
I see what
Hey,
you're
Miss
saying.
Olinga.
Yeah.
Ella said that she'll be late. She's in a family emergency.
Which
Okay.
one, desktop or application? Hi, Lexi.
Hi, Kevin.
Just if you click on share screen, you should be able to click on your screen and then say share.
Okay, I'm gonna just click desktop. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. Can you see it?
Yep. All right, so you have ounces per cubic meter. So you have 4 kilograms per cubic foot. And you want ounces per cubic meter.
Oh yeah, I need ounces. Huh. I didn't recognize it.
So you'd have to go kilograms to pounds.
I'd have to go kilograms to pounds.
Yes, so like that very bottom one on the left, in the black.
Yeah.
1 pound equals 0.454 kilograms.
So I would erase the cubic feet by 1 kilogram already? Or is that good?
No, okay, so you have 4 kilograms over 1 cubic feet, right? Or 1 cubic foot. Okay, so then your next fraction is going to be 1 pound over 0.454 kilograms.
Okay. Then you said 4.5 kilograms?
0.454.
Oh. Okay.
Okay, then you would need to go pounds to ounces. So you have ounces in your numerator. So there's 16 ounces is equal to 1 pound.
Yeah. Numerator is the top one, right?
Yes.
Man, this is confusing.
All right, so now we have ounces, right? We have the ounces. So now we need cubic feet. No,
Okay.
we have cubic feet, we need to go to cubic meters. All right, so I'm looking at what your options are there.
So I need one from the left column and one from the right column?
Well, so the left column helped us take care of the weight, which was the kilograms, the pounds, the ounces.
Yeah.
The right column is helping us take care of the volume, which is your cubic feet in cubic meters. All right, so I see, what I'm seeing is I see 1 cubic meter. Hold on, I'm trying to let people in here. I see 1 cubic meter is 1,000 liters. All right, so now if we go liters, we have a conversion for liters to gallons. And we have a conversion from cubic feet to gallons. Okay, so you see where it says 1 cubic foot equals 7.481 gallons?
Yeah, I see where it says that.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna do next. So our next fraction, we're gonna get rid of the cubic feet. So it's gonna be 1 cubic foot on top.
Okay.
And then you'd have your 7.481 gallons.
Okay.
Okay, so now we have gallons, we need to go gallons to liters.
And then that would be 1 gallon is 3.785 liters.
Yep. Then we can go from liters to cubic meters.
Okay. So we can go to what?
Now you're going to
Liters.
use the one that goes liters to cubic meters. It's the third one from the bottom.
Oh, okay. So 1 cubic meter.
Equals 1,000 liters.
Yeah.
That one's kind of long.
I don't know. This is kind of confusing. I don't really understand it.
Well, this is what we did yesterday when you were paying
my
attention.
bad.
Yeah. All right. Can you stop screen sharing for a little bit for me, please?
Yeah. How do I do
Thank
that?
you. See the red up top? It says stop share.
Oh, okay.
Thank you. Hi, everyone.
Oh, so that's it for the equation?
Yeah, so now multiply all your numerators together, multiply all your denominators together.
So basically, I'm just trying to like make the measurement smaller.
You're
So
just
that-
trying to put it like in a different language. Like you're like, it's kind of like translating. Like you're taking it from one measurement to a different measure. You're just measuring it in different ways.
Don't like that.
Well, it's what we're doing right now.
Yeah.
Okay, so today we are going to be still practicing those conversions. Okay, some of those on Delta Math got a little long, like the one I was just helping Kevin with. Some of them are a little shorter, which is a little nicer. So in Google Classroom, oh, did I post your assignment? Hold on. I was trying to hold on to it for a little bit. Let me double check that I posted your assignment. Oh, sure didn't. Okay, hold on. I'm posting an assignment right now in Google Classroom. And I'm going to do the first one with you. I'm sorry. Hold on one second.
Hey, Miss Olenga.
Yeah.
Is it right for me out of that to get 12,855.2,756?
Did you have something on your denominator?
I don't know. I have 6 denominators and most of them are decimals.
That's okay. Multiply them all together.
Okay.
Multiply all your denominators together.
I'll just redo it then.
Okay, now in Google Classroom, I want you to look for assignment number 52. I'm going to share my screen with you.
Yeah, that's a weird number to begin.
Hold on, I can't figure out how to function. Oh, wait. Here it is. All right, so in this practice here, you have this big gray blob here. This is, so this is like a pixel art thing. So we're gonna be solving the problems that are on the right. And once you put your answer in, and if you're correct, part of the picture will show up here. Okay, so like the other day, I have conversion factors on the other tab. So we have some conversion factors there that we're going to need. All right, so let's look at the first one. It says a bottlenose dolphin can swim 268 meters. Hold on, I can't read that. My eyes are too bad. Let me get my paper. Sorry, hold on, guys. I gotta get my paper. All right, sorry. A bottlenose dolphin can swim 2.68 meters per second. Find the dolphin speed in miles per hour. Okay, so we have 2.68 meters per second. We need miles per hour. I gotta share a different way, hold on. All right, so we have 2.68 meters in, what did it say? I'm sorry, 1 second. We want to go to miles per hour. That's where we want to get to, right? All right, so let's think about our conversions. So let's deal with the meters first. We want to go from meters to miles. So if we want to go from meters to miles, let's think about these conversions. So we've got meters to feet, and we know feet to miles. So that'll get us there, right? If I use these bottom two. All right, so I'm going to start with meters to feet. So 1 meter is 3.28 feet. Okay, so come on now. So 1 meter, was it 3.28? Is that right, guys? Yeah, 3.28 feet. All right, so now that means that my meters have canceled. So now I need to get feet to miles, right? So I know I'm gonna need feet in my denominator. I'm gonna need miles in my numerator. So again, looking at that conversion, we know 1 mile is 5,280 feet. So 1 mile is 5,280 feet. All right, so I can get rid of my feet, and now I have miles, right? I have my miles done. So now let's deal with seconds. I need to get seconds to hours. Seconds to hours, so we know an hour is 60 minutes, and we know 1 minute is 60 seconds, right? So those are the ones we can use. Let's go back to our problem here. So right now I'm in seconds. I need to go to minutes first. So if seconds is in my denominator here, I need seconds in my numerator. So 1 minute contains 60 seconds. All right, then we have seconds that are canceled. All right, so we have 1 minute. I need to go minutes to hours. So how many minutes are in 1 hour? 60, right? Okay, so let's take care of multiplying everything in our numerator together. So I have 2.68 times 3.28 times 60 times 60.
Here, Miss Elena.
Yeah.
So you're basically just trying to eliminate stuff until you get what you wanted, like the minute.
Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Huh.
All right, so in my numerator, when I multiply that all together, I have that 31,648.44. In my denominator, I have a 1, a 5280, a 1, and a 1. So that one's kind of nice. That's just 5280. So when you get done, you should have 5.99. And now we are in miles per hour.
And that boy Colin's nutty. He already said that from the beginning.
What?
Colin sent it in the chat. He already knew the answer.
Oh, yeah. I know, but we're trying to figure out how to do it. Like, I'm trying to show you how to do it by hand, too.
Yeah.
All right, so 5.99. When you type it in, and when you type it in, you hit enter, it'll fill in part of the picture over here on the left. If nothing happens, then you were wrong. Okay, so nothing happens, you were wrong.
5.99. Oh shit. I think.
Okay, does that make sense?
Yeah.
All right, so I want you guys to stay on the chat. I want you to work on this because yesterday only like 3 of you actually left and did any work. Maybe 4. Okay, so I want you to start working on this and then jump back on if you need help. Or not jump back on, but turn your mics on if you need help. Questions at this point?
No.
Okay, go to it, guys.
Hey, Miss Winger.
Yep.
So am I always having to get rid of the numerator first?
It doesn't really matter.
Okay.
You can do either one first. It doesn't matter.
I'm having trouble.
Okay, which one are you working on?
Well, I've been trying to put an answer that's not showing up. I started with the first one, and it like the picture is not going away.
So you put in 5.99
Yes.
and it didn't work?
No.
All right, hold on. Let me go in and look at it. Like you didn't put any labels in or anything, right?
No, I just put 5.99.
So since it says 15 gallons per minute, does that mean I put the 15 gallons on top next and then I transfer it to liters?
You put the 15 gallons on top and then you'd put your, what was it, gallons per minute?
Yeah, I have the minute down. So then would I just transfer, like for the next equation, would I do 15 gallons and then find out the liters?
Yes, yep. Let's
Okay.
see, your 5.99, if you go to the right, there's an answer blank where you put it. So in the, where it's like column AA. Like I left like,
Okay, I didn't see that.
there you go. You okay then?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it doesn't matter if both of them are on top.
No, you're gonna have one on top and one on the bottom. So what's your original problem?
Okay, so I'm doing the second one with the dolphin. Well, no, I'm just doing the second one. So I have 15 gallons per minute, and then I transfer for the next equation. I would do 15 gallons, and then I would find out the liters, right?
Yeah, you can, but that means 15 gallons over 1 minute.
Yeah. So then,
Per means divide. So it'd be 15 gallons on top, 1 minute on the bottom.
so I'm dividing that.
Eventually, but remember, all of our rates have been set up as fractions, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's how you create your original fractions. Your 15 on top, your 15 gallons,
Yeah.
and 1 minute on the bottom.
Mr. Wing, are you there?
Yep.
Okay, so I'm basically doing like the same thing as the last equation. Like I'm trying to copy it and put it into
Yep.
this. So the 15 grams on the next equation I wrote is on the bottom, and then the liters is on the top. So I got 56.65. Is that right?
Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
So you start with 50 gallons over 1 minute, right? So to get rid of the gallons, our next fraction is going to have gallons in the denominator. So I'd have my 3.79 liters on top and 1 gallon in the denominator.
Okay.
That gets us into liters. Now I need to get rid of the minutes and get it to be seconds. So that's where my last fraction comes in. I have a minute in the denominator, so when my new fraction there's going to have a minute in the numerator, and I know 1 minute is 60 seconds.
So what? That's it for the equation?
Yeah.
That's-
So in
I
my
thought
new, go ahead. So in my numerator, I have to take 15 times 3.79.
Yeah.
And that's where you get your 56.85. In my denominator, if you remember, my denominator, I have a 1, and a 60.
Yeah, so it'd be 60.
Right. So now I need to divide that out. If you round to 2 decimal places, you should have 0.95.
Yeah. You see, the whole thing that I was confused about this is that, like, I thought with the 15 gallons that I originally started, I thought I had to use that and multiply the liters by it.
Well, we kind of did, right? Because
Yeah.
look, I have my 15 and my 3.79.
Yeah, but where the 3.79 liters in the 1 gallon is, I put 15 gallons, and then I put the number I
I
got
see.
from multiplying.
Gotcha.
So then the third one is 100 yards by 5.5 55 seconds.
5.5.
Oh, 5.5.
Yeah, so it's 100 yards and 5.5 seconds. So 100 yards in the numerator, 5.5 seconds is in the denominator.
Okay. So then I'm gonna do 1 yard on the bottom and then 3 feet above.
Yes.
And then from there on, I would transfer the seconds.
Well, wait, what are we supposed to, wait, I'm sorry, what are we going to? Miles per hour?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're still not in miles yet. So we need to go from feet to miles now.
Okay. So then it would. So then it would be 5,280 feet, and then a mile would be on the bottom. Or is the
Your,
mile?
your 5280 is going to be in the denominator
Okay.
because that's feet, because you need it to cross out, and then you'll end up with 1 mile in the numerator.
Okay. And then from there on, I'm trying to figure out the seconds, right?
Yes. Yep.
How do you set up the second one?
Yeah. How do you solve the seconds?
Oh wait, not the second one, the third one.
Okay, so that's what we're talking about as far as you would have 100 over your 5.5, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we first converted from yards to feet. So we took, so because we have yards on top already, we need to cancel that out. So we put 3 feet over 1 yard.
Okay.
And then we needed to go from feet to miles. So that means my new fraction, the feet's gonna be in the denominator, the miles gonna be in the top, in the numerator. So we have 1 over 5280, right? What I have so far?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen okay?
Yeah.
Okay, so now we gotta go seconds to hours. So we're probably have to do a baby step here. So we need to do seconds to minutes. So how am I gonna cancel out the seconds?
Put
Right now it's in the denominator, so where do I need to put it?
the numerator.
Good. So we have 60 seconds and 1 minute.
Mhm.
Is that the next equation from the miles to the,
Yep,
okay, so 60 seconds in a minute.
yep. Okay, now we still need to get to hours. So I need to be able to cancel out the minutes.
So you put the minutes on top.
Mm-hmm. So there
So-
are 60 minutes and 1 hour.
And then do I just start and then do I multiply the top together?
Yep, so multiply your numerator together. And then multiply your denominator together.